Hello to all my lovely subscribers and my future subscribers. Welcome to my channel Travel with Siri. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell in order to get all the notifications. As Singapore's community infection rates of COVID have remained stable, Singapore announced pleasure cruises in November 2020. Please note that this is not a promotional video or sponsored by anyone. The information provided is purely from my personal experience. Before the date of boarding, all passengers are to undergo a PCR test as well rapid antigen test after disembarkation. The price for the tests are included in our cruise package itself. Do not forget to download the Trace Together and Royal Caribbean apps before boarding. Because we will be sailing in Singapore-Malaysian waters, we need to purchase the internet at sea in order to have mobile data plan. You can visit the guest service at Deck 4 to purchase a data plan. Please note to switch on the airplane mode in your mobile before boarding, as roaming charges will be applied once we enter Malaysian waters. We opted to check in online and chose our check-in slot at 5 p.m. The check-in process went smooth and it took us only 30 minutes for immigration and check-in process. There is an option to drop your baggage, but they advised us to carry along with us as it will take 2 to 3 hours time to get our luggage to the room. Once we checked in, they issued us a card that is used throughout the ship for entering any shops, restaurants, or to make any purchases. We can link our credit cards to this card, which will make it easier with our transactions in the ship. Upon boarding the ship, we received a bracelet for each person, which is to be worn all the time. It is a wearable device, just like a watch, that allows in rapid contact tracing. They collect back the bracelets before we alight. We stayed for 4 nights in a deluxe balcony room. The room is cozy and comfortable for 2 adults and a kid, with a balcony to savor the sea in your free time. The room has a comfortable queen bed, a convertible sofa bed, a full wardrobe with safe, mini bar, hair dryer, and an ensuite bathroom. They provided only 3 complimentary mineral water bottles for our 4-night stay, but we get to refill our water bottles at the dining area. The ensuite bathroom comes with a standing shower and vanity area. Carry your own toiletries as they provide only basic things such as body wash cum shampoo and a small soap. I was quite impressed by the spacious balcony with 2 comfortable lounge chairs. I spent most of my free time savoring the beauty of the sea. I feel pleasant and complete whenever I am next to any water bodies. Could that be because of me being a water sign? Well, if you ask me, yes, that's me, like an ocean carrying waves of emotions.
In a real emergency, the assembly station crew will provide life jackets for all guests.
Moving on, we are advised to watch the safety information tutorial once we check in the room. All the details and timings of the restaurants, activities and shows can be checked and planned from the in-room television.